What is Universal Access? By Angelica Rios. Universal access is the opportunity that is given to all people equally, regardless of their social class, religion, gender, disabilities, race, or any other discriminatory factors associated with profiling. Many teachers feel that they have to treat every student exactly the same, and that allowing one student to take a test with their notes is not fair to the rest of the students. I was once one of those teachers. This picture really helped me understand that that is not the case, especially with students with any type of disability. A picture can say 1,000 words, and in this case, it really did to me. This picture explains that just because you give all people the same treatment does not mean that they are being assisted according to their specific needs. Universal access means that a person will be treated exactly the same whether they are a boy or girl, light or dark complected, short or tall, Asian or American, rich or poor, thin or thick, and so on. It means that when I step into a store, I will get the same treatment as if I were a superstar who also stepped in there. Universal access means that people will be validated for their mental capacity instead of their physical capacity, looks, race, ethnicity, and so on. All people are created equal in the eyes of God, and all people should follow God's word and see every person as a human being with feelings and emotions. Many believe that all students are created equal and are given the same opportunities. All students, in fact, do not have the same opportunities. We have all seen that the jocks, for example, get treated better by teachers and are given more chances because they play sports and put the school in the news every so often. All students with disabilities are also not all treated equally. Students with disabilities who go to school in a higher social class area receive better services than students of disabilities who go to school in a more monetary needed area. This is not just the case for students with disabilities, but for all students. Universal access techniques addressed in this module. There are 2 universal access techniques that were addressed in this module and I really liked. A peer mentor video was one of them. It taught students to help each other understand and control emotions, as this is one of the easiest ways of getting what they want and succeeding in class and in life. Teaching character education was also another one. It teaches students to have a positive attitude and be well behaved, as more can be obtained by people with a positive go-to attitude than a person who is very pessimistic. It teaches students honor, courage, commitment, responsibility, control, morals, and values. This creates good role models and a better society.